Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Humana Spending Account Card anywhere you want. So let's get started. So you can use any retailer that you want to do so. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Walmart. So once you're here in Walmart, you got to click on the top bar and you got to search for Humana Benefits. So simply type in Humana Benefits and you'll be able to see a couple of options. So here it says Humana Benefits eligible products in Walmart. So I'm going to click on this one and you'll be able to see all of the products that are eligible that you can buy. So for example, I'm going to buy this one. So I'm going to click on it and you'll be able to see some various options such as the quantity and other product details. So once you have selected that, you're going to click on add to cart and then click on card at the top right corner. Over here, you'll be able to see all of the items that you have added in your cart. You can increase the quantity. If you want to remove it, you can click here. And once done, you're going to click on continue to checkout and you'll be asked to select the card. So you need to select the benefits card section because Humana is a benefit card. So simply click on that option and you'll be asked to enter your card details such as the account number, the expiration date, as well as the CVV number. Simply type that down and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can use Humana Benefits Card in any retailer you want to do so. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.